Watch.
Thunderstorm watch number 417, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following county: Fairfield County, Connecticut, and the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Hunterdon, Middlesex, Plymouth, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren, and the following counties in New York: Bronx, Brooklyn, Nassau, Manhattan, Trentham, Queens, Staten Island, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from San Diego to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles. And coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Inlet, New Jersey, out 40 nautical miles. The conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the wash area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to know what there might be out. Broadcast radio and television outlets or internet sources. Alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to radio, commercial radio. Coastal waters between and Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey, out to watch number 417 has been issued from 1:45 p.m. until 9 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hunterdon, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren, and the following counties in New York: Orange, Rockland, and Sullivan, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Monroe,